The whole point of this space is it's for our members. We want our members to be hanging out with us. We get bored hanging out by ourselves.
We are here to move the ball forward, Pittsburgh. We can't rest, and we don't rest.
As the Tech Council, we want to be in the middle of it all. So being here in Nova Place, it's like this bubbling part of Pittsburgh. There's some stuff going on here that you need to be part of.
The opportunities right now in Pittsburgh are as good or better than they have ever been, and because of the things you're developing, you're innovating on, it's going to continue in a very positive way.
You got the Steelers theme going.
We got the Steelers theme going, and I hand stapled all these tiles myself. So I'm just saying, man, it was a labor of love to do this. We purposely designed the space to have more conference rooms, more open space. So we think it's gonna be a great way just to get more buzz going, get more people intersecting. It's just a great way to always be seeing somebody being on the scene, being part of it. We love it.